My name is Rocky Jundelbert Itobaon and I'm representing Iloilo Province and I'm Ambassador of Sports po.
Hi, I'm Brian, and congratulations for winning one of the ambassador title. How are you feeling right now?
I'm really happy because I was not expecting this award for me.
And anong klaseng preparations yung mga ginawa mo and sacrifices na mga ginawa mo for this competition?
Yes, I actually made a lot of sacrifices and like especially the diet and the working out, but it's worth it po.
Gaano ka kadalas mag-gym and what was your diet?
It's actually to the point na I'm going to the gym every day and like I'm strictly eating a lot of protein and less sugar.
And did you ever expect na makukuha mo isa sa mga ambassador titles?
I didn't really expect. That's why I'm so happy that I'm one of the ambassadors.
So what was going through your mind kanina nung tinawag yung tinawag yung name mo as one of the ambassador winners?
What's actually going on in my head is what I don't expect that I will be chosen as one of the ambassadors. So I wasn't able to process it yet, but I just went forward and received the award.
If you could change something sa performance mo kanina, meron ba?
It's actually my first time to join a national pageant, and like the pageant itself, it's my first time. So I don't know how the pageantry works. So I don't know what to change.
Alright, this is your first time. Ito na ba ang last or meron pa?
That depends on the opportunities, po.
Alright.